convert multiple Word files to PDF files. We will do this automation through macro. So we have a macro here. Now before that, we have source files. So we will convert this Word file to PDF files, and after PDF, this will be the result. But now we delete all the PDF files and come to the macro. So here we need source folder path and output folder path. So here you give the source folder path where all the Word files are there. To get the path, shift and right click and copy as path. Now paste in the same row, cell C3, right click, paste. Again go to the where our PDF file will be saved, get the folder path, shift right click, copy as path, paste here. Now we run the macro. Our files are converted to PDF. Now let's check in the after PDF folder. You see all our files converted to PDF. Let's open one file.